Hello everyone, this is Modified Darvas Box coming to you live here on Monday evening, October 18th. And this little quick video is called How I Made 40 Points in SI. So I want to do this video over the weekend, but I didn't get around to it, so I thought I'd do it this evening. Big thing is that tomorrow is earnings, so who knows? Maybe SI is going to change and form some new opportunities. But I wanted to show you guys how I made 40 points in this trade. It was really amazing because it was pretty much unexpected. So let's start in breaking down what we've got. So on the screen here on the charts, we've got SI, Silvergate Capital Corporation, and it's on the weekly viewpoint. You can see I've drawn the Darvas box here on the weekly. This is my interpretation of what the base range is. And as you can see, it's been going sideways for a while, but recently over here has had a really nice move up, gone from bottom of the box to the top of the box. But I've traded this one several times all throughout this period in here, May, June, July, August, September. Made a little bit of money, got also frustrated, a lot of headaches, and then now it's really come on strong. But let's take a look here at the big picture. What you can see on this chart is that, yeah, you know what? It's got big green volume here in May. Look at that. The biggest bars in its history at that point. This is big institutions buying and hanging on to their shares. The reason why you know that is there are no corresponding big red bars. AKA they bought it and they put it away in their bank accounts. Then you can see this is where SI came alive and where I got involved and traded it. I thought the opportunity, based on the big green volume bars in May, there was the opportunity here in June, July, but turns out it wasn't big opportunity, it was small opportunity. But you'll see more here on the daily view. Okay, on the daily view, here are those big green volume bars on the weekly. I was actually involved then and bought it here around in the low 90s, traded all the way up here and sold here on this red bar, made a few bucks, which was nice on that. Found another opportunity here, wax on, wax off, rinse, repeat, and traded it several times. Blue circles are buys, red circles are sells. But a lot of headaches, a lot of chop all in here. A couple of these trades were losers, a couple others were winners, but then everything changed right here in this yellow bar. And I'm going to circle that. This area here was when a news article came out on SI, and very favorable one, and it was a very bullish article. And that really probably raised a lot of eyebrows for that. But it popped here on also big green volume. And then look how price then started to climb. Now, I kicked myself because I'd known this stock pretty good, and I should have been buying here. I didn't, duh. But the good news was I paid attention to it, and I watched how the green volume kept stacking, getting bigger. When I saw this bar right here, let's back it up to the time. When I saw that bar right there, when it closed and in my after hours viewpoint, I knew I had to get involved. So I bought some the next day right here at the blue circles. Price immediately shot up that day, and you're in a trade with potential when it's green right away. Started making money. Because it climbed so fast, I took some off, sold a little bit here at this violet circle. And then up here at the top, I realized it's getting close to the top of its Darvas box. What happens when it hits that? That can be interpreted as a form of resistance. And to me, that was a logical spot where price would stop, catch its breath, and then wait for an earnings report. And that's exactly how it's been played out. I sold it up here at 167, so bought 127, sold at 167, and now it's been going sideways, and we're waiting for earnings. Earnings is what this green arrow is all about. So at this point, that's how I made a quick 40 points completely unexpectedly. And now we're just waiting for the earnings report. And who knows, maybe the new trend will blast upwards through the top of its Darvas box and go to 170, 180, 190. That's always the hope. So we'll see what happens, but wanted to break this down for you guys. If you have any questions, please reach out to me on Twitter. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.